catchy. I'd like to bring in NRA member and gun rights activist Colion Noir. People are kind of scared about this up in Maine. That's what we're seeing in the reaction in the press. What are your thoughts about this?
I don't have any issues with it at all, actually. I'm vehemently pro-gun. I agree with the sentiment. I think if you are against firearms or inherently anti-gun or inherently against the idea of people being able to own AR-15s, then you're going to take offense to it. But if you're pro-gun and have been following the debate largely, you understand the sentiment and you agree with it, so there's no offense to be taken.
I want to be clear. What we're seeing in the news reports, what I just said, was what I meant to say, reading the news reports, is that the locals are saying they just feel uncomfortable, that this is a small town. And even if it said rifles matter, they're tourists. They just are on vacation. That this is polarizing and disturbing to them. What do you make of that?
I mean, it is polarizing because just the gun debate in general is a polarizing topic in this country. We've been having it for years. However, it is a very important topic in this country. So I don't think just because it offends a few people, we shouldn't be having a conversation about it, especially considering how important it is. All
right. So what is your take on the assault weapons ban?
I disagree with it.
Why?
If we look at for instance, the AR-15s have been used less than 1% of the time in all gun deaths in this country. So inherently, they're not even an issue if we were just going to focus on the guns itself. Over 80–90% of those gun deaths are happening with handguns. So why are we focusing on an AR-15? So that it begs the question in that regard.
All right. This is a polarizing issue. Some people don't like that assault weapons are out there on the streets, and they feel really scared. Again, we've now got a small Maine town embroiled in this controversy, sir. Look at that sign. The tourists not liking it. Colion Noir, you're an NRA member. We really appreciate your time, sir. So this was a heavy show. We had a lot of news about the Colin Powell emails. We've got basically